Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete our Facebook account. Do you guys want to delete your Facebook account? Okay, I will help you to do it. First, open your Facebook app. Then tap on these three lines. Now we have to go to settings. To do it, simply scroll down and select settings and privacy. Then select settings. Okay, now scroll down and select access and control. Okay, now we have this window. So we have to select deactivation and deletion. Now select delete account. Then we have to select reason why we are going to delete our account. So select it and go ahead. Then you have to type your password to confirm this is your account. Then you will get a window and simply select delete account there. That's how we delete our Facebook account. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. See you in the next one.